In partnership with the Fresno County CTE programs, San Joaquin Valley Manufacturing Alliance, and Reedley College, the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board's Manufacturing Internship program is designed to build a workforce-ready talent pipeline for the manufacturing industry. These young adults will learn about manufacturing straight from the experts.
My name is Mike Betts, and I'm the CEO of Betts Company. We're a 150-year-old manufacturing concern located here in Fresno. We manufacture parts for planes, trains, automobiles, and trucks. We're well known for our coil spring division, leaf spring manufacturing, and metal stampings of all types. We really enjoy the Fresno community and the programs that are here for our youth. And we're excited to be part of the program through the Workforce Development Board for youth in the high school manufacturing programs.
When the students start out, they come into a program where we offer them a wide variety of manufacturing classes. They learn from basic blueprint to materials to introduction to machine shop and an introduction to welding. During this time, as the students start to develop their skills and a little more of their interests, they tend to decide whether they want to take a machinist pathway or a welding pathway. And for the second semester, they're able to choose which of those pathways they want to take. And whichever one they do choose, in addition to the machine shop, or if they choose the welding, they get hydraulics and electricity classes as well, to kind of as a foundation there. Upon completing the program towards May, they have a certificate available to them. It's a certificate of achievement, okay, or they could continue on for AS degree. And at the end of that, prior to that certificate, they do complete an internship with an industry partner.
This past year, we participated with the Duncan Polytech students. We had two wonderful students working here at Betts for the 75-hour summer internship program. What we thought was remarkable about the program was the way that the Workforce Development Board worked with our San Joaquin Valley Manufacturing Alliance together in collaboration to develop a program that is really kind of state-of-the-art, maybe never been done before here in the Central Valley for manufacturers. The components that we find are amazing and really beneficial, not only to the student but to the manufacturer, is that they take a test, a work keys test, and they have to get a 4 or better grade on that test to qualify. They have to interview with us, and they have to pass the interview. They have to take a drug test. They have to make a commitment to either enter the Fresno City College or Reedley College's linked learning manufacturing programs in the fall. And hopefully, if they go through all that, they get an offer from the company to come to the internship.
So as the students come through the program, the skills that they're learning, everything from basic blueprint reading to the understanding of materials to precision measurement to understanding how we join metals through different welding processes or how we shape metals through the machining. They're all the basic skills that are used in all types of manufacturing.
It has taught me a lot of stuff of how to make an unfinished product to a finished product. I'm working on a bearing that is for a tinker machine. Right now, I'm setting it up to indicate it.
And what we really tried to do is give them a kind of a broad foundation that they could build on and specialize in some areas. So the skills that we're teaching here, we find throughout manufacturing.
In our case, these two young gentlemen did get the offer. They came here, they performed really, really well. Wonderful, life skills, great interaction with all of our people. They were very pleasant people to have working here in our environment. I understand that they've gone on to Reedley College and they're both doing really well there.
Hi, my name's Marchie. I'm from Fresno. I'm hoping to become a welder. I had a great summer during my internship, learning how to operate a press brake, and I learned a lot during my years of staying in Reedley and manufacturing. Thank you for the opportunity.
And we're looking forward to continuing to work with the Workforce Development Board to continue to have the students coming through this remarkable program. I think another benefit that is really state-of-the-art is the Workforce Development Board actually pays the students' salaries for this period of time, and they also cover the workers' compensation costs and benefits. So we're delighted to be part of this program, and we're looking forward to having these kids back.
Workforce Connection put me into an internship here at ATCO again. After a week and a half, my supervisor ended up giving me an opportunity to work here. I was really thrilled. I took it. And, here I am now, working full-time with benefits. I love my job. Everyone here is nice. Never had really problems with anything here. I really love it here, and I hope to be here for a long time.